Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivanka and today's video I'm gonna do makeup and skincare routine. So guys, I hope you will enjoy this video. Stay tuned and let's go start. Okay, let's just put a little bit close as you're gonna see my face without makeup, and I'm gonna put these buns up. I'm gonna up like this. So first I'm using Clarins. This is my serum, what I'm using daily. It's a double serum and age control concentrate, so I love this one, really good. It's one pump, the oil. They look like this, and when you can twist, so you have actually more watery. So this one I will put just around my skin. Smell, it's divine. So yeah, and don't forget guys, putting on the neck as well. So it's really important to moisturize and a little bit hydrate the skin. So very important when use the daily this one. I think for me the serum it's the best for dry skin, which is my one, and that's why I find Clarins is the best for me. So if you're interested, and so I will link down below this. So I find BB cream from Kiko. This come in color honey one. So and the color is honey, so color is fabulous for me. The powder as well, so I'm gonna put around. I don't use so much if I do, you know, just the daily makeup. Show you guys the step by step the makeup, how I do. So of course I slightly put on the neck, so doesn't gonna see the steps between the neck and face, so it will be nice. Okay, so this one, I hope guys you see. I will put a little bit closer. Okay, excuse my eyebrow. My eyebrow is so bad, but I try to. Okay, now I'm gonna use Chanel. There is my compact powder. It's almost finished, but I'm using beige color. Okay, so just around, a little bit around. Yeah, just go it around here. This will be really natural, basic makeup. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit of setting powder under the eyes. This one is from Elf and it's really bright color. I want to show you. So bright, as you can see. I putting just under the eyes, be the color more brighter. So okay, now I'm gonna do my eyebrow. So little bit brush course you can see the guys. Okay, excuse my eyebrow, it's so bad. But I tried to make them beautiful. Okay, I'm using NYX. This is NYX and it's dark color, it's like chocolate dark eyebrow. Oh, okay, I'm gonna start just doing the line up and down. I'm doing it just a little bit longer down and put a little bit color up as well. Right. As you can see, okay. Color between both brows, so it's changed completely whole look. Okay, one is done, so I will do the another one. I always do lines first and all the way down, just over here, as you can see. So gonna brush a little bit up. Right. Yeah. So this is the eyebrow. I like that shape. I don't like too thick or very thin. So this is actually nice shape. Okay, so eyebrow. So next I have my blush. This is from Essence and color is peach. Really nice color. It's very strong color, so I don't put too much. Okay, and blend it. Okay, right. After I use the highlighter in A98. So yeah, the color look like this. This is my favorite highlighter. It's fabulous. Looks awesome. So put up here and on the nose as well. I don't do contouring, so I just put more highlighter here and down on the chin, right? This. And next I use my new palette from Revolution. This is my new palette. I love this shape, heart shape. It's beautiful, and I will use these colors. So I'm gonna use this color here and this one as well. So probably I'm gonna mix this one and little bit of shimmers as well, so I'm really excited. So I'm gonna use this one here. So it's really natural color, so use upper lids down there. It's so nice color up here. So that's gonna be next on another lid, sorry. Lid. Okay, don't know if you can see. Right. And then with next I use okay, I will use this color here. this one. Okay, this one I'll put on the corner, really bright. So over here, nice and pinky color. This will be really simple makeup. Okay, a little bit more. Right. Okay, and that's gonna be the same on another one. So hopes as you can see, nice and pinky, just on the corner. Right. And on the middle I will put this one here. Okay, hope you can see. So this color, darker, little bit darker, peachy darker. So gonna put here all over. Okay. It will be so colorful makeup. Hopes you can see me. So this one I put in there. Okay. So finger. This is really icy color. So I put them on the top. The glitter, it's like really shimmery. And on another side as well. Hope you can see, guys. More closer for you. And here in the corner I use this one here, so shimmery. So inside here, and also I'm using highlighter as well for more brighter. This is really pinky, simple makeup. Okay, now I'm gonna use just from highlighter before I use it. Okay, I'm just a little bit put in here more sparkle. Okay, right, so they look like that. And for eyelashes, I don't use at all. Okay, put them back so you can see me. Fake eyelashes, because I have enough long eyelashes, natural one. But I find this awesome mascara from Eco. It's brilliant. I love this brush. So put, as you can see, straight. Put it closer so you can see the difference. It's straight, it's really long, and it's brilliant. I'm loving this mascara. So I will link it down below, all products what I use, so you can find it, guys. This mascara is brilliant. Right now you can see, guys. Wow, such a drama already. Okay, and so this will be another side. Okay, this is done. Right, you can see, guys. I'll put more closer for you. And on finish, I'm using my lipstick from Victoria's Secret. This is the rose gold color. It's so awesome. Okay, I love lip glosses so much. Hope guys you like. This is my makeup of the day, what I'm normally have. Okay, very simple, beautiful pinky, and for attached I put my beautiful new earrings from Parfois. If I'm gonna find them, I will put on the link down below. Okay, this is my look for the day or for evening. As you can see, beautiful pinky and lipstick shiny. Okay, hope you guys like it, and thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next. Bye.